This 12-year-old girl started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop. Just listen to her. Caitlin Thornley, who lives outside of Houston, sneezes up to 12,000 times a day. Sometimes the 7th grader can't even complete a sentence.
Exhausted.
You have no idea. I'm constantly in pain with...
The only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Caitlin listens to music. For now, it's a medical mystery. Doctors have ruled out allergies or a virus until they figured out Caitlin can't go to school. We've seen this phenomenon before. Even at her school festival, some kids laugh at her. This teenager also suffered from sneezing. This is Lori Johnson today. Turns out she had a rare tick that apparently started with a strep throat infection. She has this advice for Caitlin.
I tell her just to keep going. Don't